Hello guys, welcome back to Install It Right. In this video, I will show you how to download and install Postman on Windows. Postman is a popular API testing and development tool. It allows developers and testers to send requests, test APIs, and analyze response easily. It is widely used in front-end, back-end integration and API testing. So, without any delay, let's start the video. Open any web browser. Here I am using Google Chrome. Search for Postman and press enter. The first link is the official link to download Postman. Navigate to download Postman and click on it. The link is mentioned in the description box. Postman will automatically detect your operating system. Select Windows 64. The download will start automatically. I will show you once the setup is downloaded successfully. As you can see, the setup is downloaded successfully. Open the downloaded setup file and wait for a moment. Postman install automatically without extra setup. Postman may ask you to sign in or create an account to save and sync your progress throughout the devices. To do so, sign in. Either you can click continue without an account. If you want to sign in, click on sign up for free. Here we are using without signing. Click on open lightweight API client. This is the Postman Workspace. Once you see the Postman Workspace, your installation is successful. That's it from this video. You have successfully installed Postman on Windows. In the next video, I will show you quick API demos using get, post, put and delete request in Postman. Stay tuned to find out. So make sure to like, share and subscribe to Install It Right. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.